feed this imbalance and this yeast. But as a treat, you can have this. Now, I've just been warming this up on the stove, and all you do, you've got your powder in there, they're the capsules, and you just pour in a bit, stir it around to make a paste. And then add the rest. And that is how you make a nice, digestive, healing black latte. Okay, so I didn't make a proper paste. But you can see it's black and it's delicious. Also, if you want it a bit more chocolatey, you can add in cacao powder. If you want it more matcha-y, you can add in green tea matcha powder. If you are on a strict healing diet and you don't want to use the coconut milk with rice, you can use a block of creamed coconut with some hot water and just blend it up and make it to go really, really frothy, can't say the word. This is the finished product. It's a black latte. This, my friends, is going to be the next big thing in wellness, I'm telling you. It's functional, it's delicious, it's got that sweetness from the coconut, and it's helping to clear out all the digestive toxins that may be lurking around and pull them out and excrete them, so you have a nice, optimal functioning digestive system.